So as you can see, they come like this, packed in this bag, and there you go. They open up like this. One's front, one's rear. So if I can open it up, yep, there you go. Whoops. There you go. So I'm going to clip those in now. They do come with a set of instructions here to use, but it's fairly easy. There you go. There's a little label on there saying rear. So we're just going to go fit around that way onto the glass. So let's go and have a look and do that now. Just go and put the clips in. So here's an interesting thing. We've got the two of these for the middle, showing there, but it shows another two here, and we've got four of these what go on the side, like I've already placed. And then the bigger two here hold the two, front and the rear, and that just clips into the rear one and that to the front one. But we've got four more of those over, and it doesn't show that. That's the number it shows, what I've got correct, and it's showing four of these, and we haven't. We've got two. So let's put it up and see what it looks like then. So guys, I got half it up, got the halfway in the clips there, and what I would recommend is taking these actual clips out and clipping it to this first and then clipping it in. It's very difficult because of the shape of this to get the actual shade in. So but you can tell the difference already. The difference is, wow, it's reflecting the sunlight, really does a good job. So let's put the other half in, shall we? So there you go guys, all done. These two in the middle, easy. A little bit of flex there. It's probably an inch to the roof, glass roof there. It's really nice and tight. I've got four spare of these. I just don't need them. I don't know why they're in there, but it really is a good fit. I've got two clips on the back, two clips on the front, and one either side, and then the centre one holding each panel in the middle. Was a really good tight fit. This really does fit well. As again, I bought this on TikTok, Tesla parts shop. You can find it no problem at all. I measure hundreds of them in America and things like that, selling parts like this. Not so much in the UK, but hopefully that's going to make a difference. I'll let you know later on.